Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to normalize volume on Apple Music. So with this, if you are tired of constantly reaching for the volume buttons because one song is too loud and the next is too quiet, so this option will fix everything for you. So you have to go to settings, and after that go to apps, go and look for music, and after that scroll down until you find this option called sound check. And if you find it like that deactivated, you have just to activate it, and like that your Apple Music will try to control the volume of your music and try to put the volume the same for all the songs that you are listening for. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.